Tree cutting in Pasadena, Maryland. A tall tree stands near your house. It was once beautiful. Now, it seems to lean a little. A big storm hits. You hear a loud crack. You look out and see a huge branch has fallen. It missed your roof by inches. This causes a lot of fear. You now see the tree as a threat, not an asset. The thought of a tree falling on your home keeps you up at night. You want a safe yard. Elmer's Tree Service offers a simple solution. We remove problem trees. We use safe methods to cut and remove trees of any size. Our team works with care. We make sure the tree comes down safely. We work to protect your home and yard. When we finish, the area is free of debris. Here is what we do in the Pasadena, Memphis area. Remove storm-damaged and unhealthy trees. Clear branches from your home, roof, and wires. Take out unwanted trees to clear up space. Provide honest estimates with no hidden fees. Don't wait for a tree to cause damage. Call 443-807-0169 today. Visit elmerstreeservices.com for a free estimate. Get peace of mind with trusted tree cutting in Pasadena, Memphis.